Could Tesla be about to change the electric vehicle industry once again? In recent months, there has been a lot of discussion that Tesla has introduced a new electric motor technology that has attracted the attention of not only the EV industry, but also major automakers like Toyota, BYD, and several others. Think back to when Tesla first introduced its electric cars to the world. At that time, many people laughed at Elon Musk. Now, the company is once again talking about a move that has made many large automakers rethink their strategies. But is this technology really as big as people are saying? Is it simply a better motor? Or is there a bigger change behind it that could give the entire EV market a new direction? What new technology has Tesla actually used in this motor? And how could it encourage companies like Toyota, BYD, and others to rethink their approach? Before we move ahead, make sure to subscribe to the channel so you can watch more informative videos like this first. Before we talk about this new motor technology, we need to go back a few years. Tesla's story feels no less than a movie. On one side, people were making fun of the company, while on the other side, one person strongly believed that electric cars would one day change the world. It was 2003 when two Silicon Valley engineers, Martin Eberhard and Mark Tarpenning, came up with a different idea. They believed that petrol and diesel vehicles were increasing pollution, so there should be a fully electric car that was not only better for the environment, but also powerful to drive and offered good driving range. With this idea, they started a new company called Tesla Motors. The name was chosen in honor of the famous scientist Nikola Tesla, who made major contributions to the field of electricity. At that time, they had no large setup and not much money. Just a strong idea. Then, in 2004, Elon Musk became part of the journey. By then, he had already sold PayPal and was also working on SpaceX. He liked the idea of electric cars, so he invested around $6.5 million in Tesla and became the company's chairman. Tesla was originally founded by Eberhard and Tarpenning, but because of Elon's major investment and long-term vision, he was later also recognized as a co-founder. However, the beginning was far from easy. In 2008, Tesla launched its first car, the Roadster. It was a sports car that could accelerate from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in less than 4 seconds and travel more than 300 kilometers on a single charge. At that time, people used to say, "An electric car won't go very far. Its battery will die halfway." Many people treated it like a toy. The media and several experts also made fun of Elon Musk. They believed Tesla would not survive for long, and that Elon was wasting his money. That same year, the world was going through a major financial crisis. Tesla's condition became so difficult that the company was close to shutting down. During that tough period, Elon Musk invested his own money, took help from friends, and somehow kept the company alive. Later, he also took over the role of CEO after the previous CEO was replaced. Many employees were laid off, but the company did not give up. After that, things slowly started to change. In 2012, the Model S arrived, and it completely changed the way people looked at electric cars. Then came the Model X, Model 3, and Model Y. The Model 3, in particular, made Tesla accessible to ordinary buyers. The same people who once laughed at the company were now waiting to buy its cars. Elon's plan had been clear from the beginning. First build an expensive sports car, then introduce mid-range models, and finally make a car that as many people as possible could afford. At the same time, Tesla built its supercharger network to reduce charging concerns. On top of that, software updates kept improving the cars over time. Back then, all of this was completely new for the rest of the auto industry. If we look at today, Tesla sells millions of electric vehicles every year. In 2023, the company delivered about 1.8 million vehicles, making it its best year. In 2024, deliveries slipped slightly to around 1.79 million, and in 2025, they were about 1.636 million. However, 2026 is showing signs of recovery. In the first half of the year alone, Tesla has already sold more than 838,000 vehicles, including around 480,000 deliveries in the second quarter. During July 2026, Tesla also announced that it had produced a total of 10 million vehicles, So despite the ups and downs, the company is still selling around 1.6 to 1.8 million vehicles every year. Now, if we talk about the global electric vehicle market, Tesla used to lead the industry, but now China's BYD has become a strong competitor. In 2025, BYD sold more than 2.2 million battery electric vehicles, which was higher than Tesla's total. At present, Tesla's share of the global BEV market is generally between 8% and 12%. Competition has become much stronger, especially in Europe and China, where affordable electric cars are growing quickly. However, Tesla still holds a strong position in the United States, but Tesla's identity is not based only on sales. Its biggest strengths are its brand, software, full self-driving, FSD, energy storage business, battery technology, and gigafactories. The company is also moving ahead with projects like robotaxi and humanoid robots. That is why many people see Tesla not just as a car manufacturer, but as a technology company. The biggest lesson from Elon Musk's journey is that even when the whole world doubts you, you should not give up if you truly believe in your idea. He took big risks, invested his own money, went through difficult times, but never walked away from his goal. Today, Tesla has changed the direction of the global auto industry. Companies like Ford, GM, and Volkswagen are investing heavily in electric vehicles because Tesla showed that the market was real. The company pushed battery technology forward, expanded charging infrastructure, and made electric vehicles part of mainstream discussion. Competition may be stronger today, but Tesla's innovation and brand identity remain very strong. Why is Tesla back in the news? Tesla is once again in the spotlight because the company is preparing to make a major change to the motors used in its electric vehicles. The most interesting part is that this upgrade will not be limited to expensive models. It is also expected to appear in vehicles like the Model 3 and Model Y. People are talking about it because this is not just about increasing speed. It is also about making electric cars better, lighter, and more affordable. Now the question is, why is there a need for a new motor? The reason is that even though today's electric motors are already very good, they are still not perfect. The first challenge is efficiency. Not all of the electricity that reaches the motor makes it to the wheels. Some of it is lost as heat. The more energy that turns into heat, the faster the battery drains. The second challenge is heat management. During high-speed driving or under heavy load, the motor's temperature starts to rise. In that situation, the system may have to limit the motor's performance, which can affect overall driving performance. Another important issue is the use of rare earth materials. Many electric motors today use magnets that require rare minerals.